Here's what you need to know about what is network redundancy. This is an exam topic in Domain 3, Network Operations. By the end of this video, you'll understand the core concepts and exactly what to expect on the CompTIA Network Plus exam. Let's get into it. Network redundancy means having backup components or paths so the network keeps working when something fails. Redundancy eliminates single points of failure. If one link, device, or power supply fails, traffic automatically reroutes through the backup, and users may not notice any disruption. Key concept: eliminate single points of failure. A single point of failure is any component whose failure brings down the whole network. Redundancy adds duplicates, a second switch, second ISP link, or second power supply. So no single failure causes an outage. Key concept: redundant network paths. Redundant paths give traffic an alternate route when the primary path fails. Spanning tree protocol prevents loops on redundant Ethernet links while keeping the backup path ready to activate. Key concept: power redundancy. Uninterruptible power supplies, UPS, and dual power supplies in servers and switches protect against power failures. Generators provide extended protection during long outages. Key concept: ISP and WAN redundancy. Organizations connect to two or more ISPs so internet access continues if one provider fails. BGP or static routing can automatically shift traffic to the working ISP within seconds. Let's look at the full breakdown. Device redundancy, duplicate switches and routers, active standby or active-active, examples, HSRP, VRRP, clustering. Link redundancy, multiple physical connections, STP prevents loops on backup links, examples, port channels, dual uplinks. Power redundancy, UPS protects against brief outages, generators for extended failures, dual PSUs in critical hardware. Site redundancy, secondary data center or cloud site. Hot, warm, or cold standby site. Activates during major disasters. Here's a real-world example. A hospital connects to two ISPs using BGP. During a storm, ISP-A's fiber line is cut. Within seconds, BGP detects the failure and reroutes all traffic through ISP-B. Doctors and nurses accessing patient records experience a brief pause but no outage. The redundant link kept the network alive. Quick recap before you go. 1. Redundancy eliminates single points of failure to maintain uptime. 2. Redundant paths use STP to prevent loops while keeping backup links ready. 3. Power redundancy, UPS for short outages, generators for extended failures. 4. Dual ISP connections ensure internet access when one provider fails. 5. Redundancy applies to devices, links, power, and entire sites. That's what is network redundancy? Covered. Exam tip: spanning tree protocol, STP, is the key protocol that enables redundant Ethernet links without causing broadcast loops. Redundant links without STP will create a loop and bring down the network. Next up, what is HSRP? If this helped, hit subscribe. New topics drop every week.